Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is Bilal in Within the Spotlight and Within the Spotlight Entertainment. I'm standing here at Yoshi's in San Francisco, a venue that has been a major platform for high quality entertainment. I'm standing here with Bay Area royalty in my regard. These three gentlemen have been major players here in the Bay Area as far as the music industry. And I must say I'm proud to stand next to them. But they have also started my whole approach to the entertainment industry. Gentlemen, thank you so very much for your time. This is a red carpet event. This is all about Funk Shun and the new CD release party. All right, fellas, from where you've come from, how do you feel right now at this moment having another record to your height and your standard of living?
Yeah,
great, wonderful.
Yes.
As the CD, the Sound of Grown Men, Michael has pointed out several times, it's just a blessing just to be able to, at our age, at this point in our career,
Yes.
to be able to do one.
Yes,
to be
sir.
able to say that I'm actually standing here and alive, as opposed to some of our contemporaries who have passed on.
Yes.
We are still alive and still able to do it, which is a feat in and of itself. So,
Yes.
it's just totally blessed.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Well, I want everyone to know that these gentlemen are from Vallejo, California.
Yes.
They hail from Vallejo, California. Mike, question to you. You had a great career doing some solo things as well.
Mm-hmm.
Coming back with the fold and dealing with the guys, how has that changed things for you?
It hasn't really changed much other than the fact that the technique of recording has changed. Other than that, I'm feeling great. I'm feeling good. Like Felton said, it's good. You do a new album like this because you can. The changes in my life is the fact it's just the level of excitement that I've reached, and my family and my friends are all just ecstatic about the fact that Felton and I have gone in with the great Reverend here and knocked it out, man, for number 12.
I know.
Number 12. So after a big gap
Wonderfully
in between,
gentlemen.
almost 27 years.
Yes.
And to do one like this, and to be able to do it in this age and time with the internet. Tonight is the big CD release party, as I say, but we get to trickle things. We get to release a single. We get to release an EP if we want to.
Yes.
The internet is just almighty powerful, so we can do all the things we want. Record company is all here. Everything is good.
Not to mention videos.
Oh, yeah, man. Video, YouTube. We have a Funk Shun TV now on YouTube.
Beautiful, beautiful.
So we can release our own
Beautiful,
videos. Oh,
beautiful.
It's great. It's great.
Well, I wanted to also say this to this gentleman. With all that you've come through with Funk Shun,
Yes, sir.
you've now come to another higher quality or a higher learning for yourself, a higher calling.
Yes, sir.
Tell us about that.
Well, I am now an ordained minister.
Yes, sir.
Have been since 2005.
Congratulations, sir.
In fact, Mr. Cooper here was at my ordination services.
Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful.
And we've been Michael's been letting me pray on stage.
Yes, sir.
There's a part in our show where I get to pray for people that, normally wouldn't hear prayer or, would not acknowledge the Lord, because that's not something you would see at a concert.
Yes, sir.
In most cases.
Right.
But it's been a wonderful ride. Lord is all powerful, almighty, all good.
All the time.
He has blessed Funk Shun for 44 plus years.
Yes.
And
Yes.
it's just amazing to be able to stand next to these two highly talented, highly creative,
Highly talented.
young men.
Yes, sir.
Well,
That was posed quite well. No. We're going to leave it there.
grown men. Grown men. Grown men.
Well, gentlemen, with pride, I say to you all, continued success, and continue to grace us with your presence, your talent, and your wonderful music. God bless. From In the Spotlight, red carpet release party at Yoshi's, California. We'll see you guys soon. Funk Shun.